Hello all traders, today is Monday 9th of December 2024 and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and DAX CFDs. As you see from the appearance of the chart, this is a MetaTrader platform and we had requests from a lot of students how to trade smaller accounts on Forex data and the prop firms that provide CFDs. So this is a 5K accounts with 5% daily loss limit and 8% profit target. So I set up this similar to the Ninja Trader that was receiving data from our trader, and we're going to trade it the same way with the PAAT system using setup B, C and T. On CFD contracts, our daily loss limit is 250 and the profit target is 400. So we have to be cautious to have a small lot size. And let's look at the market during the global session, and as you see on the Dow Jones, it already broke the previous level of support and there's another support below that. And on Nasdaq also is going strongly down with a solid candle, and we replaced S&P 500 with DAX because the spread was high on S&P 500. So we're gonna wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price reach this level of support and the buyers come back, we will take long position in a well-established uptrend. So stay tuned and we're gonna update you with any trades that we're gonna take today. So we came back and we had a deep pullback and the buyers came back, and now we're entering here with setup C on Nasdaq, and we're using our own trend line management experts that manages risk and opening and close of the trades with shortcuts. So as you see, we have two open position on Nasdaq, one close already with profit, and also the second one we close it with break even. So the volatility is high here, so I wait for a deeper pullback. So we entered here another entry signals that is set up C. If the buyers come back to push the price higher, the trend line management stop loss is below there, and I'm gonna close it in the middle of channel. So I just close this one with profit. So waiting for another pullback. I just had another entry on Nasdaq. So I just closed this one also with profit. So we had a deeper pullback now, and here is a good area for setup B again. We entered one long position and closed it with profit. We had also one loss that I missed to record it. So as you see from the result of this trade summary, we are positive and had $38 of profit and $25 of loss. So the net profit is $12 for today, and I missed a lot of good trades at the beginning while I was setting up this platform and my charts. So we see each individual trades that were taken today, and here we see the equity curve that had some small drawdown and passed the initial balance of 5,000. So we are $12 positive and we had a small drawdown. So we reached profit factor of 1.4, which is good for the choppy area that we had focused time to trade. And we see that win rate here is about 80% from all 16 long positions taken, and the average win to loss ratio is 1 to 2. So with this system we had very low drawdown. So with the proper lot size and risk management with the PAAT system, we managed to keep the drawdown low and had a positive day, and we're going to continue on these accounts for a while till we reach the 8% profit target. Hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.